Jesus Christ, Jesus. Squad! What's up, everybody? You're doing your boy Razablade. I'm there with a banger fool. No! Today, I'm gonna make my fiance know say a woman pay me 2,000 US to get the sticky dicky. Yes, it be like that sometimes. Sometimes some wicked things happen in the world. She want to pay a man who's almost married to get the DDD. You see me I say? But I gotta tell my fiance, I say, babe, I run with the woman. You see me I say? I run. You're mad. Why you go with the little 2,000? You have to come better than that. A joke. I tell her, I say, yo, I run with the woman. You see me? But the woman says she don't want back the money. She want something in return. So I'm going to negotiate with her. Or I'm going to try to negotiate with her. Say, yo, you wanna? I have to do back something for this woman here. But I don't tell her, so I'm not going to stick her. You see me? So I want to see how my fiancé going to react to this. Plus, I tell the girl already what I have ready and waiting. Say, yo, make me know, say, yo, you wanna? Already I have to jerk it off then. And make she see. You see what I say? So, we in line for your banger today. Remember to leave a like on the video because you know the likes them need to make sense when we are going to the bangers them. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
Please, I just know something, you know. I said, I see pop up on the laptop and I said, the internet.
Oh,
The internet not connect to it. So I said, I can share it from my phone through the internet change.
not connect to your laptop?
Yeah, you not connect to yours either.
Yeah, of course, you know when I connect at the same time. You want to say,
Oh, sorry, wait.
yeah, iPhone user, baby, you tap up your son.
Babe, I know, but it can't tap, so I go in the settings. And then I search for it.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm a smarty pants.
Your mother do that long time.
Babe, stop galang, so. What was the name? When I get to get used to it. See it then now, look, the share.
Yeah, alright.
That me did I try do.
Yo, you remember you tell me what they about some type of people who always jump in your inbox or with some weird requests and sitting.
Yeah. Damn.
Well, somebody message me what they and say they want one promotion. So I tell them the price and then they say send me account number. This woman send me 2,000 US for an 8 grand promotion. 8,000 promotion, you know.
What was it?
Yeah.
Nine a mistake.
Me I say a mistake, so I start calling about the woman. You know the woman up on me and say to me, say, if I go somewhere one 6 star when she come down next week, we call it a quit. But babe, whatever babe, people weird. Me tell her, say, no, you're bright. What kind of
She bright, yeah?
Me say, let's say, me so married. What kind of style that, you see me? But I see
Which
she...
woman that?
She name Sasha Manson. Me say, me black her, but me see the
On
woman...
Instagram she message you?
Yeah. Me see the woman that call me and text me from her, me have buy the car. Yeah.
So you don't send back your money?
But who make her send it back to?
To Sasha, a person who is sending, you don't send back your money?
Watch her. Yeah.
And I'm going to get back to me. We agree with you. And I'm going to talk my good old. But you have to go find one way. You have to find one way. 2,000, you have to go find one way, sir.
So me tell her say, but me there solve for this, you know, some people are easy, you know. No, me go tell her.
Wait, stick a pin.
What?
Unless me fool. So a person pay for one promotion,
Yeah.
which is for 8,000. When I get the money, when I get
But
the
me
money.
message her, bro. Look at no man lady, me not tell her say, yo, you done send your money already, and me not depend on that, and me tell you some want to send back the money, you tell me say me need to do something, miss me, almost married, just relax yourself, come me if I go block you. Yeah. What talk?
This
Talk no?
I'm this you.
Be
You think
this
me
me?
fool?
Be this me, babe?
So I can never send back your money.
Who me go send it back to?
No, the person will send you.
The person just send it. The person just send it.
Exactly, and then if you have no long conversation, then if you send back the money.
I come tell you what happened, babe.
Oh, yeah, I send it back.
I think about it.
Listen, me with this you.
Babe, me not it.
You're hungry?
I'm not hungry, babe.
So why you want it?
Me just say to you, babe. Make it $2,000.
With this you.
Babe, 2,000.
Me with this you. Don't make me this you.
She a call. No, really.
Listen, don't send me there, sir. Don't send me the wait.
Me a answer.
Wait, answer call and don't look over yourself.
Yes, Sasha, what you say now?
You upset me. You never know see the almost married when you take my money.
No, but you're sending money and...
Alright, listen to me, hear me, I say, you can't straight from the point. This is about that. Find one way if you do something for me, like, when I feel like, okay, I want to go in the end, because I don't want it back, I'm not short sides, I don't want it back.
Miss me, I say, but...
Like, right, if you're definitely fuck and fly come for you fuck. If you come and I don't want a problem, then just do something. Use your imagination, because you're not stupid.
Alright, you can know me, I forgot to send back your money.
I don't want it back, Jason.
So what am I going to do with your money, miss?
Why are you taking that first place?
No, you send it to my account, so you might want me take it.
Listen to me, sir. Just do the right thing. Just send a cocky picture. No picture, I'm not a video. Jerk off, I'm going to see a come and call me name and pay things like that. I want. Like, I want some kinky, I want something like just pinch my nipples. Like, come on, man. I can't do that.
Babe, I got enough before, babe. I got enough before. Stop, no, babe, please. Babe,
Yeah,
you give this
hesitate
money.
for.
Babe, I not hesitate, babe, no shot.
So just why you? Yes, I'm gonna this you.
Babe, just relax a bit. Me just come to you as a husband and say, this is what's going on.
So
And I'm
just
like,
why you have long conversation? It not sound like
babe,
you
but I want
just
picture,
shake
babe.
her back, shake
Babe,
her
I not
back.
answer.
No
Babe,
answer.
babe, I'm
Just
not-
let me answer, call.
babe, just listen.
Let me
Listen, babe,
answer.
a one picture.
I got this you. Just
Babe,
let
listen,
just let me answer.
Babe, listen, listen, listen. We can use a Google photo send her there.
No, you're entertaining.
Babe, not, babe,
So why you? I don't care. Do I care?
Babe, I too.
Me not hungry. You hungry?
Babe, me not hungry, babe, but just
Yeah,
say, she said she don't want it back, come here, go do.
Just are your money in the first place?
Babe, what am I going to do?
Send it back.
What me go
Have it transferred back to her.
I forgot to go back, babe.
I don't care. I saw you love money.
Babe, I don't love me.
I saw you love money.
Babe, the person
Are
said-
your money? Are your money?
Alright, you talk to her. You talk to her. You talk to her.
Hi, good afternoon.
Babe, I want to hear what she say. Babe, what? Babe, no matter, babe, a 2 grand. Babe, a 300,000 that you know. See, I reconnect you. I got a rip on my side. Babe, listen to me, I said, babe, before you do nothing foolish, babe. Babe, you can send her a Google picture, babe. 300,000, Google photo, quick 300,000.
Jason, me no care. Send back your money. You hungry?
Me not hungry, babe, but that.
So, why you gonna send Google picture? You're entertaining.
Me not
No,
inter-
this person gonna feel like that. I don't care where you want to get it from. Let me break it down to you. I don't care where you want to get it from. You gonna send back the money. You get?
See, she send on me.
Yeah.
Alright, see the babe. Are you in charge? Take your phone.
What the fuck? I want that. Like, did you just, yeah? No, me.
Shaka, I'll shut your mouth. Hello? Hello? You don't even know who this. Don't worry about that. First of all, your money I got be transferred back to you by today, this evening, whenever you get it. But it's gonna send right back to you. And next thing, girl, let me tell you this. Listen. Where you get this from? Where you get this from?
Yeah, I just for a random person to babe. Are you the
listen. Minute in the back and forth with you. Your money are gonna be transferred back to your account. Leech. Your money are gonna be transferred back to your account. You're disgusting because you know this man have a woman we're so married. And you there talk about you want video with him cock. So you want thirsty? And you don't ramp with me, yeah? Let me tell you something.
Me come and tell you what happened.
No, this a girl when you and her have a conversation.
Ask her.
You and her been have a conversation.
What me say to her, say?
You and her been have a conversation. When been have a conversation, she would have never just get up and say things to you
Babe, so
like
ask
this.
her everything I let me.
No, ask her
But
now.
babe, you can't accuse me then.
My business with her?
Christ, Jesus.
Let me ask you a question. Is that an accomplishment? Baby girl, that's not an accomplishment. So if you want to fly down and fuck him, you can fly down and fuck him. That's not an accomplishment. That is not an accomplishment. If you want him, you can go and have him. You want her?
No, babe, no.
You want her?
Babe, no.
You can have him. What argument for? What argument for? You wait there. Hold on. Let me ask you a question. You taking him away. Wait on a girl. Let me ask you a question now. You taking him away is an accomplishment? Is that an accomplishment? That's not an accomplishment, baby girl. Baby girl, FYI, that's not an accomplishment. That's not an accomplishment. So if you feel like you have the need to fly come to Jamaica and come take him from me, as you say, you can do it. That's not an accomplishment. That is 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 not an accomplishment. And a matter of fact, Yamed, you send $2,000 US. You send You send $2,000 US come in a man account to get a dick pic. Girl, do better than that. Tell me now, you have sense. So you're sending $2,000 USD to get a dick pic. Make you never fly down. Make you never buy a plane ticket. You is an idiot. Don't talk to me. Hear me, I tell you? Do not talk to me. You hear me, I tell you? Don't deal with me.
If you're not afraid to see this,
Yes, don't deal with me. Baby girl, let me tell you this. That's not an accomplishment. So, see, if you feel like you want to fly, come to Jamaica. Come there with him. Do it. What's stop you? You shouldn't bother sending $2,000 US. Let me tell you this. You see, you're a woman. Let me tell you this. You see, from the moment the money coming in your phone, you should have sent it back. You should even negotiate to send fake picture. You're greedy and worthless. You and her. You greedy and worthless. You and her. She can fly down, come to Jamaica, come there with my business. She not want me nothing. I don't care if you want black her. I don't care. Yeah, your home record. Take her money. Take it. Go and go look at fake picture. Matter of fact, $2,000 USD, you don't have to look fake picture. You can send yours. Just don't deal with me. Do not deal with me. You hear me? I tell you, don't deal with me. I just know that this is going to be the first and last time because me and nobody not toe-to-toe again over no man. Jesus, better you go on. You hear me? I tell you. But you go on. Consider yourself lucky because I don't do them something here. You hear me, I tell you?
Come to you and show you what I go on, you know.
Jason, I don't care if you want to show me what I go on. You should have never considered sending a fake picture to get $2,000. I don't care. And that's why people can come and skin up their teeth because you entertain women like them there. When women approach you with them, that dirty, nasty behavior, they don't need to put them in a them place.
What you do? I come and tell you.
Yeah, you come and tell me, but you're going to make me, you want me, what you want me to do? Confirm your negotiation with her? That loyal woman I have to you go on. Just go on. Just don't deal back with me. You hear me? I tell you. Just don't. Just me with this and don't ramp with me, no boy. Don't ramp with me, Jason. Don't want to your fuck money, you're bright here. All stinkers, don't ramp with me. I don't want any your money. Bright and face there, stink and wrinkle. You know what is something I work for my honest bread? Don't break yourself with me. Go and go send your wood picture and not go involve me in your nasty, dirty behavior. Just you know, you have to draw me out with this, you know.
Maybe you done this, don't play with me, everything good. I can't eat a day, baby.
When since I stay like this? When since I turn so? This is not the Jason what I know.
Well, I say you go.
And if you over this time take a picture of your hood, you see me. Jason, don't ramp.
Babe, I prank.
Jason. Don't play with me.
Be my first never see you go say no.
Just say no, say not to play with me, you know. And you know, say me not have no head. You know me not have no head.
Baby say I saw you there make me lose it could change it too.
Baby, you not understanding that me not frightened for money, you know. Oh, me not frightened for nobody and their money. You make me all stammer when you know sometimes me stammer not ramp with me. Oh, can me this you know. Excuse from beside me.
Baby bear.
Jason, go along from me. Please, me I beg you, go on.
Yo,
Go on, yeah?
it's when me see her run past the camera, I swear they're gonna see it, but to your big side of your feeling. Baby bear. Me see all that sweat. Really, they allow the woman to come give me one piece and come.
Jason, don't you feel like me care?
Yo!
You feel like me care? What make woman feel like if they with somebody else man and take them away as an accomplishment?
I don't know.
That's not an accomplishment.
But that change it does if me.
I'm in a business and you me with a papa for your head because she no want me nothing. Oh.
Mama, calm down.
Come take your hand off for me. Just give me some space.
Give me a little space. Give me a little space.
Let me do my work. I need to...
You see? Sometimes you go and like say you're tough, you know. But you love me, yes, sir. And I love you too. Hey, fight for your baby. You don't give it up easy. When you love somebody. Babe, you have to catch your back. Oh, God. Oh, God. That's me have a big friend from her. Say now, say you love me too.
You can go on.
Yo! Yo! Squad, may I tell you no. I know so this day gonna be a banger. I know if you unlock the code for getting our skill. Therefore, big up yourself. I could make it possible without you. Trust me. How much likes we can get for that banger here? 10,000. Squad!